Hello, I'm Janna Champagne, autism mom, United Patients Group medical advisor, and patient advocate, here to answer your burning questions about cannabis for autism. Today's question is, can I give my kids CBD gummies? Some parents do choose gummies to supplement their child with CBD. This is not often ideal since gummies may contain unhealthy ingredients like sugar and food coloring that can actually complicate your child's symptoms. For optimal therapeutic quality CBD, choosing tinctures, which can be flavored for those who are taste sensitive, or healthier ingredient edibles would be preferred. United Patients Group supports use of Unity Formulas CBD for targeting autism in all forms and offers a coupon code UPG15 for a 15% discount off your Unity Formulas purchase at www.unityformulas.com. To learn more, please check out the links on this page, including my research-cited articles and videos explaining the science of cannabis for autism. If you need more assistance, I also encourage you to click the Book a Consultation link and schedule a session with an autism knowledgeable United Patients Group cannabis nurse. Be informed and be well.